Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that has been making waves in the financial world. Dogecoin was created in 2013 by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer as a joke, but it has since gained a large following of users who believe in its potential to make change in the world. Dogecoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, which means that it is not controlled by any central authority. This makes it a more secure and transparent currency than traditional fiat currencies. Dogecoin can be used to purchase goods and services online, and it can also be used to tip content creators on social media. In addition to its use as a currency, Dogecoin can also be used to make change in the world. For example, the Dogecoin community has raised millions of dollars for charity, and it has also been used to support causes such as disaster relief and animal welfare. So, what does the future hold for Dogecoin? It's hard to say for sure, but the potential is certainly there. Dogecoin has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money, and it could also be used to make a positive impact on the world. Here are some of the use cases of Dogecoin. Online payments. Dogecoin can be used to purchase goods and services online. There are a number of websites that accept Dogecoin payments, including online stores, gaming platforms, and even some restaurants. Tipping. Dogecoin can also be used to tip content creators on social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit. This is a great way to show your appreciation for the content that they create. Charity. Dogecoin has been used to raise millions of dollars for charity. In 2014, the Dogecoin community raised over $50,000 for the Jamaican bobsled team, and in 2015, they raised over $30,000 for the Water is Life Foundation. Other uses. Dogecoin can also be used for other purposes, such as gambling, investing, and trading. Dogecoin has the potential to make a positive impact on the world in a number of ways. For example, it can be used to help people in developing countries who do not have access to traditional banking services. It can also be used to support causes such as charity and disaster relief. Overall, Dogecoin is a versatile cryptocurrency with a lot of potential. It is still a relatively new currency, but it has already gained a large following of users who believe in its potential to change the world. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new about Dogecoin and its potential to make change in the world. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.